the AI tool that's powering $1,000 per month faceless YouTube channels. What if you could create professional YouTube videos without showing your face, recording your voice, or learning how to edit? In today's video, we're diving into Pictory.ai, the tool that's powering a wave of faceless YouTube channels and helping creators earn passive income on autopilot. If you've ever wanted to build a channel, launch a side hustle, or just create content faster, this might be the easiest way to start. Welcome to NeuroShift AI, the channel where automation meets opportunity. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this tool could seriously shift your future. Imagine turning a script, blog post, or even a rough idea into a complete video with stock footage, music, subtitles, and voiceover, in just minutes. That's what Pictory does. If you're camera shy, short on time, or just want to produce more content faster, Pictory makes video creation as easy as copy and paste. Pictory is the perfect tool for faceless YouTube automation channels. Pair it with a script writing AI like Koala Writer or ChatGPT, and you've got a fully automated content pipeline. You can publish daily videos, grow an audience, and hit monetization, all without filming anything yourself. Here's what makes Pictory stand out. Converts text into video in minutes. Gives you access to royalty-free stock footage and images. Adds voiceovers with built-in AI voices, or lets you upload your own. Automatically generates captions. Highlights key scenes using AI. You can even paste in a YouTube link and have Pictory turn it into short-form content like Reels or TikToks. So how do people make money with Pictory? Here are 3 proven strategies. Faceless YouTube channels. Use Koala Writer for the script, Pictory for the video, and post daily. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, ad revenue kicks in. Freelance video services. Offer video creation on Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses and content creators need explainer videos, short promos, and course intros all the time. Affiliate marketing. Create product review videos or list-style content, then drop affiliate links in your video description. Every click could mean passive income. One creator built a motivational quotes channel using Koala Writer and Pictory. After just 3 months, they reached monetization and now make between $800 and $1,200 a month, completely automated. Another freelancer uses Pictory to deliver daily client videos and earns over $500 a week, working just a few hours a day. Pictory isn't just a video tool, it's a launchpad for creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're building a YouTube channel, offering services, or starting your own brand, this tool can help you scale faster and smarter. This is NeuroShift AI, helping you automate smarter, earn faster, and shift your future forward. Click the link in the description to try Pictory.ai and support the channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video in this series, ElevenLabs, the AI voice tool that sounds more human than you do.